Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up your camera so that with these camera settings, you can take 98% of the pictures that you want. Step 1, you want to set your camera to aperture priority. So you're going to come to the dial, you're going to find the letters A and V, and you're going to set your camera to AV mode, aperture priority. Step 2, find the ISO settings, set your ISO to auto, letter A. Now, cameras are pretty smart, and by default, cameras always choose the lowest ISO possible, so trust me on this. Next up, here's where you have to do a little bit of thinking. If you're shooting in the daytime, set your aperture to f8. If you want to shoot at night, choose the lowest possible f-stop. In this case, f1.4. Now, if you want to get some bokeh in the daytime, you can shoot at 1.42, but some cameras' shutter speed doesn't go that high. So, wasn't that easy? Now, people focus too much on the settings and too much on the camera, and they forget that photography is about the picture. What's in front of the camera. YouTubers too, and I get really angry at this, they make 10-minute videos about camera settings. This didn't even take like 2 minutes to explain. You don't have to buy people's workshops. You don't have to buy people's crappy ebooks. You don't have to buy people's courses or like whatever else stuff they're trying to sell you. Just go out there and take photos. People always ask, what's the best way to get better at photography? It's not watching people's YouTube videos and it's not buying their workshops. It's going out there by yourself, taking pictures. That's the only way you're going to get better. Go out there and shoot. Doesn't matter if you're using a phone. Doesn't matter what kind of camera you use. Just go out there and shoot. All right, that's it. So I hope this video helps. Is this your first time watching my videos? Subscribe for no BS photography tips, and I'll see you around.